hope that the topics we have discussed so far have been useful. I invite you to contact us so we can watch closely how Buena Vista Technologies can help your company to move to a new level in its production of learning. Meanwhile, you can explore more topics. If you've explored all of them, you can click on End the Tour button. First, we apply the ADDIE instructional design technique methodology. Individual steps are to assess and analyze needs, design instruction and presentations, develop materials. Next, review GAINE's 9 events of instruction as a participant-centric mechanism for progressing from lecture-based to activities-based constructivism instruction, where learners construct their own knowledge based on their interpretation of the subject matter and, if needed, with immersive learning. The ARCS model highlights motivational factors. Hi. Buena Vista Technologies can warranties that all the final products made by its personnel are produced with the highest quality in the market. The reason is simple. We don't only have the best instructional designers of the Latin America area, but also the best of breed of throwing tools in each area of the production of e-learning. I invite you to explore some of the different tools we have. Learning interactions are essentially social, but e-learning courses are frequently lacking in social intelligence. Animated characters can stand in for learning facilitators, act as peer trainers, or interact with each other to model desired behaviors. Researcher Byron Reeves from Stanford University says, when characters guide interactions, people trust the information more than in identical interactions without characters. Codebuddy Studio is the perfect tool to get this to the e-learning. For this reason, it has been awarded several times. To see some of the awards, click the Codebuddy Award button. You can also go back to the Tools Gallery by clicking the Back to Tools Gallery button. Shift e-learning is an award-winning authority tool. For 5 straight years, Shift wins Brandon Hall's Medals for Excellence in Technology. Each year, the Excellence Awards are hosted by Brandon Hall Research to recognize the best in innovative learning. Shift e-learning has received multiple awards from Brandon Hall for their innovative software applications. If you want to see a little video for learn more about our throwing tool Shift, click on the button Go to Video. You can also go back to the Tools Gallery by clicking the Back to Tools Gallery button. Created by training developers, for training developers. SimLabter Professional is the most flexible and robust immersive learning simulation authoring tool available. Professional places the power of creating engaging social simulations at your fingertips. Create complex, role-play scenarios without the need to write code. Incorporate advanced behavior scripting to produce the most compelling and relevant performance-based training your employees will ever experience. Document ROI by generating micro-learning objects to reinforce key training concepts and measure learner behavior change. If you want to learn more about SimLabter, click the Learn More button. You can also go back to the Tools Gallery by clicking the Back to Tools Gallery button. Hi again. First of all, let me formally express my thanks for taking part of your time to learn more about our company. To make this easier and more comfortable, what I'm going to do is to ask you some of the same questions that I usually ask to my clients in our first discovery meeting, to understand their needs and see how can Buena Vista Technologies help their company. This takes us to our first question. Approximately, how many hours of e-learning courses do your company needs to produce in a year? Okay. Now which is the delivery timeline of these hours of e-learning? How have you distributed them? What kind of training do you consider that will fit better to your employees and company needs? Thanks for your answers. Now I can better understand your business needs. What I will do now is give you my recommendations based on your answers to ensure your company has e-learning content of the highest quality at the best price. In this case, I recommend 4 instructional designers working full-time the first 6 months, and 2 full-time instructional designers the last 6 months. End the tour button.